Hello, bookkeepers, accountants, and small business owners. I'm Bipin, and welcome to the 5-minute crash course on Xero Accounting. Whether you're new to Xero or transitioning from another accounting software, this crash course is exactly what you need. In just 5 minutes, I'll walk you through the essentials, highlight its key features, and show you how to get started effortlessly. Let's dive in right away. What is Xero Accounting? Xero Accounting is cloud-based accounting software designed to simplify financial management for small businesses, bookkeepers, and accountants. Xero empowers you to track income and expenses, send invoices and quotes, manage bills, and reconcile bank transactions, all in real time. You can also access financial reports, monitor cash flow, and handle payroll seamlessly. Since Xero is cloud-based, you can work from anywhere, whether on a computer, tablet, or smartphone, and your data stays secure and up to date. Think of Xero as your virtual finance assistant, helping you stay organized, save time, and focus on growing your business. How to get started with Xero? Getting started with Xero is simple and intuitive. Begin by visiting the Xero website and signing up for a 30-day free trial. After signing up for a free trial, Xero guides you through onboarding. You'll enter your business name, industry, and country to customize features, set your time zone, and currency. Next, define your financial year-end, indicate if you have employees for payroll setup, and choose your current financial tools. Once done, Xero is ready for you to manage your business finances seamlessly. Exploring the Xero interface. For this tutorial, we'll use a sample company, ABC Corporation, to explore the Xero interface. The dashboard is your central hub, providing an at-a-glance view of key financial metrics like bank balances, invoices, and bills. On the left-hand side, you'll find the navigation menu, which organizes all features in Xero into sections. Business, manage invoices, quotes, bills, and purchase orders. Accounting, access the chart of accounts, reconcile transactions, and generate financial reports. Contacts, track customer and supplier details. Projects, monitor job-specific income and expenses. At the top right corner, the settings icon is where you'll customize your business details, configure tax rates, and invite team members to collaborate. Xero's user-friendly interface makes navigation a breeze and ensures all essential tools are just a click away. Setting up your chart of accounts. The chart of accounts is the foundation of your bookkeeping system. In Xero, you'll find it under Accounting, Chart of Accounts, where a preloaded list of accounts is provided based on your business type. Review these accounts and customize them to suit your needs. For example, a bakery might add accounts like ingredients as an expense and cake sales as income. Assign the correct account type and tax rates to ensure accurate financial reporting. With a well-structured charter of accounts, your transactions will always be categorized correctly, saving you time and minimizing errors. Connecting your bank accounts. Bank reconciliation is one of Xero's standout features. To connect your bank accounts, go to Accounting, choose Bank Accounts, click Add Bank Account, and follow the prompts to securely link your account. Once connected, Xero automatically imports your transactions, making it easy to reconcile them with just a few clicks. This automation not only saves time, but also ensures that your books are always accurate and up to date. Managing invoices, bills, and journals. Xero simplifies managing invoices, bills, and journal entries. To create an invoice, navigate to Business, go to Invoices. Click New Invoice, and fill in the customer details, items, and amounts. Xero tracks the status of the invoice from creation to payment. For bills, head to Business, choose Bills to Pay, click New Bill, and enter vendor details along with due dates and amounts. Once the bill is paid, Xero automatically updates your accounts. For manual journal entries, go to Accounting and click Manual Journals, where you can record adjustments for depreciation, corrections, or other transactions not covered by invoices or bills. Generating financial reports. Xero offers a range of customizable reports to help you stay on top of your business finances. The Profit and Loss (P&L) report shows your income and expenses, helping you understand your profitability. The balance sheet summarizes your assets, liabilities, and equity, providing a snapshot of your financial health. The cash flow statement tracks the movement of cash in and out of your business. These reports can be tailored with filters, date ranges, and account selections, giving you actionable insights to make informed decisions. And that's a wrap for our 5-minute crash course on Xero Accounting. I hope you found this introduction helpful. Xero is designed to make your financial management simple, efficient, and stress-free. If you're ready to dive deeper, check out our Mastering in Xero Accounting course at accounttutor.com. Happy bookkeeping!